So I'm going to talk about how can I add Leonardo AI to Discord. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do this, you just simply have to open the browser that you use, and after that just simply open the site of app.leonardo.ai. And after opening that site, you will get to see something like this. Now, if you look at the bottom left corner, after zooming in a bit, you will get to see a lot of social media icons, and among them you will get to see this Discord option at very first. Just simply tap into that in order to join the Discord server of Leonardo AI, and after tapping into that, you can easily accept invite by tapping into this accept invite, and you will be joined to the Discord server of Leonardo AI. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.